Okay guys, we're back, and like I said, I would want to do one of those feather things, but I'm going to use and that's why I'm using a really small one, because I don't want to waste too much paint. This paint is so thin it almost drips off my stick, and I'm not sure this is going to work, but we'll just have to try it out to see if it works. Okay. What I would like to do is get a background color. But I think I have a little bit of paint in my brush, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Oh yes, see that? There's some watercolor in my paint, but that's not really a problem. It'll just be a little different tinted. And it's going to be mixed anyway, so who really cares? I just want it to be wet so that the paint slips over it, and do the sides so I don't have to do anything to the sides. A little on the back, just a little bit around the back. There we go. This one. It's ready. Okay, let's pull that down like that, nice and smooth. There it is. Okay, now I did zoom you in a little bit because of the small canvas, but let me zoom you in a little bit more. I think that's about it. And I'm going to fill this little cup because there is not much paint needed to do this, I guess. I do want the brown in there. Then I want the sienna, the orange, the purple on top of the orange because I want that really dark brown. Then a little bit of that again. Now let's see what we get. Maybe a little bit of dark on top of that. That's it. Okay. Now, let's see. Gotta hold it onto it. There we go. That's working. What I'm seeing now that it's working better than the thicker paint. Ooh, that is really pretty. Look at that. It's really working better than the thicker paint, but it's sort of rolling all over the place. That is really like a leaf. I should do that on a really big canvas. That is really cute. Shall I just leave it like that, because I really kind of like it, but then I've got that other color on the bottom here. Nah, choices. Sometimes I hate the choices. Let's just do this. Let's not put it under, but just make it roll off a little bit. Maybe it'll bleed into that paint. That might be pretty. Nah, I'm gonna do it straight over because I really like this. I have to get rid of those little pinholes, but other than that, I think it's really pretty. And let's just do another here. That's kind of cute. Oh, I like that line in it. I really like that. I think I can do that again. Oops. Oh boy. Did you see that happen? Well, we'll have to pour that off. sometimes. There it goes. And another one. Oops, I need some other colors. There it goes. That is really cute. I like it. Let's pour it over the edge. And I gotta make sure that I get some of this color here, because I can see a little hole in the canvas. There we go. Little corner to cover. Oops. That's nice. I don't want too many of those air bubbles popping, or I'll have a lot of work to do later. Because I do want them off there. Okay, pull that down. That's nice. And I gotta fix this a little bit. Okay, that's looking better. I think I have everything covered. Yes, I have. I really like those two little lines in there. I'm gonna leave it just as is, because this is gonna look awesome with a little bit of glitter like I did in the last one in those fingers. So that's going to be cool. And then I just might use resin as the finish. The only thing I'd really like to get rid of right away is those little air bubbles. Let's see. Oops. If I can put that on. No. That's too dark. I'll see that. Let's see. Ooh, this is very delicate. Sorry about that, guys, but I want to do it right now. That one too, but that one's a little bit more brown. Ew, that's too white. Nah, it's not really doing what I think it should be doing, so I'll just wait for it to dry. It's easier when it's dry, but I don't want to dink around with this stuff too long. And I do sort of like this, what's going on here. But as long as I make it move, there it goes. And that works. That works just as well. See that? I do it like this. That way you can go with the motion of the painting. There it is. Because I don't want those little pinholes. They bug me, really bug me. A little bit here. Okay, now it's ready. Oh no, I see another one. And I bet if I just leave it, you'll see more and more, but those are the ones that really bugged me, and I think that's it. So guys, thank you for watching. Love you all to pieces, and this just proves that the thickness of this kind of pouring is very important, so it has to be almost on the too thin side. But I'll do another one just in case, you know, that my theory doesn't pan out. We'll do another one in a second, but I'll see you all in the next video.